In this video, we're going to learn how to create lists using HTML. There are several types of lists. The one we're going to be looking at in this video is going to be the unordered list. So what is an unordered list? An unordered list is a list of bullet points. So let's go ahead and create our example. So I'm going to create a new file, call it unordered lists.html, and let's import the content from the hello world file. I'm going to change the title to unordered lists and get rid of the body content. Okay, so to create an unordered list, we are going to use a simple syntax. We need to use the UL tag for unordered lists. So now we're going to have all the content of our list inside the UL tags. So we're going to have list items. So each list item is going to be built using the li tag for list item. Okay, so let's build, for example, a list of European capitals. So let's start with Madrid. And if I duplicate this line, then I can have another list item, Paris, for example. And then a third one, London. Okay. So now we've got a simple unordered list. Okay. It's a list of bullet points. Okay. So now let's try something different. Let's create a sublist inside our list. Okay. So let's create a sublist in our third list item. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go inside the list item, okay, right after the text. And we're going to create another unordered list. Okay, so again, it's the same syntax. We're using the UL tags. And then inside the UL tags, we're going to have our list items. So let's have one list item. So let's write, for example, cloudy. And another list item, cosmopolitan. Okay. So we've got our list and we can see our sublist in there. In the next video, we're gonna cover ordered lists.